After the rain, the forest holds its secrets. And here's the first one. A perfect Caesar's mushroom. This color is just unreal. Let's harvest it. Oh, it looks like today's a lucky day. A beautiful chicken of the woods. But wait, ... I turned my head and, oh my god. A true gold mine was waiting for me. Just look at this. An absolute Auran treasure. Of course, I'm taking all of it. A few of nature's smoke bombs. Let's keep moving. Absolute jackpot. If you love moments like this, hit that subscribe button now, because we are just getting started. Another incredible find. A fallen log covered in honey mushrooms. The quality is amazing. And some shiitake too. The basket is full in no time. But the most magical sight is still ahead. It's like I've stepped into a fairy tale mushroom garden. A bountiful day. The bag is full. It's time to head down the mountain. Thanks for coming along on the adventure. Subscribe and turn on notifications to explore more of the forest's magic with me.